Now, one of the things we're faced with, especially with reviewing these brand new cars, is dirt and dust getting on all the interior, the floor, the door cards, the seats. So we've invested in the Gtech Multi. Lithium ion and fully chargeable. Really easy to take to bits and empty. You've just got your filter here, take that out, give it a wash, put it back together, and then literally pop back on. Now, you've also got an attachment here that you can do carpets with as well, but we'll just use a sucker upper. Yes, I know. I don't know if that's the correct word, but hey. It even has an LED light. Perfect. Now, yeah, we would advise people that if you're going to be cleaning your car regularly, especially with something like car reviews, it's definitely worth getting something that can really stand up to the job. And we found that the Gtech is really, really cool. It's very adaptive and it holds a decent charge as well. And charging it's very simple as well. You just literally press these two buttons in, pull the battery off, plug your cable in there and leave it on charge. And if I remember correctly, it's under an hour as well, so it's a rather quick charge. A full charge will take 4 hours, but the quick charge will give you enough just to give a quick clean, perfect for a car.